Hi, this is Melanie from Melanie Shore Yoga, and today we're going to be working on MARICHYASANA C, also known as Ray of Light Pose C. So you're going to start sitting down with your legs directly in front of you. You're going to bend your left knee. You want to make sure your foot is in line with your leg. You don't want it too far in or too far out. Everything should be in line, and you're going to flex your right toes and put your right hand behind you. Breathe in and bring your left arm up. Breathe out. You're going to stretch forward as far as you can. Bend your left arm around. Take your right hand. You're going to grab your fingers, hand, or your wrist, and then you're going to fold forward. Make sure you keep your shoulders down, away from your ears. This opens up your chest, stretches out your back, and also stretches your hamstring. If you can't reach your hand, you can use a belt instead and grab onto the strap instead and fold forward. Make sure you remember to keep your shoulders down, not up like this. Both shoulders should be down. When you're finished, you're going to breathe in and come up, and breathe out and come down and do the other side. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy doing this pose at home.